Do you wish your pram had autopilot? Are your hands always full? iBuggy is here to help. Simply attach the iBuggy kit to your pram, download the iBuggy app, then say goodbye to pushing and hello to hands-free days out. Use the app to plot a route and iBuggy will do the rest. Using GPS, your pram will navigate to your chosen destination, with or without you. No terrain is too tough with 4x4 mode. Hit the service button and your pram will head to your local Direct for Baby. Safety features include the iBuggy cam, which looks both ways, so you don't have to. If iBuggy cam detects someone approaching the pram, iBuggy alert is activated.
Stranger danger!
I just want to catch the bus.
All these features and much, much more. iBuggy, giving you a spare pair of hands.